Mapapanood na sa Lunes dito po sa TV5 ang How to Spot a Red Flag ni Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano. Nang dahil daw sa serye, mas naging close ang Don Bel at naging bonding pa nila ang surfing. Nasa frontline na balitang yan, si MJ Marfoy.
From Binondo to LU, dyan tayo dadali ng paboritong Gen Z love team of today, ang Don Bel. Sa TV5 na kasi mapapanood ang kanilang view series na How to Spot a Red Flag.
Happy anniversary, love.
Happy anniversary.
Kung dati, bingling ang bansag sa kanila, meet matcha, si Matt at Charm. Light man ang serye, binunyag ni Bel na may malalim na mensahe ito, kaya ito ang title.
Gamit kami ng bagong learning sa audience namin, you know, most especially nowadays na talagang ang daming trolls online, ang daming scammers online, and catfishing, we have to be extra careful, and it's so nice that we're able to communicate that through this show.
Aminado ang Don Bel na lahat naman ay may red flag dahil walang perpektong tao. Pero may mga words of wisdom siya tungkol dito.
Well, lahat naman tayo, we have some form of red flag. I saw it more here in the show than before seeing a person as a flag, you have to understand that they went through a lot of stuff, which is why they got to that point.
Dahil sa serye, na-inlove ang Don Bel sa LU. Ang dami rin daw bagong activities ang natutunan nila Donnie at Bel together. Gaya na lang ng surfing.
Pero nagulat talaga ako dito kasi first time pa lang,
Hindi naman.
nakatayo na siya. So, masaya. Nagiging bonding talaga yung surfing dun sa La Union. I think that's where it started kasi alam na namin pagdating namin ng La Union, very different feel, very different vibe.
Abangan ng Don Bel sa kanilang pagbabalik ng prime time bilang sina Matt at Charm starting January 27, 9:30 p.m. How to Spot a Red Flag pagkatapos ng Incognito dito sa TV5.